Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use temperature sensor of Thermometer app on this device. Alright, so firstly we have to open our Thermometer app, so we have to swipe down and it's right here for me. Now we have to click object temperature. Now we have to click on this icon right here, and as you can see we can measure temperature. We can click on the temperature and that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!